Good morning. It is early. It's 7:15 and we're up already, getting dressed, getting packed, because today's our last day. And the plan is to get all of our stuff out of the hotel room down to the reception for 8 o'clock, get them to put our luggage away and kept safe, and then we're gonna get the shuttle straight down to Walt Disney Park, to the main Disneyland Park, and do a couple of the rides there that we haven't done yet. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Last night was such a late one, but Logan did so well to see the fireworks. I thought at one point he was going to fall asleep on my shoulder and I was going to have to carry him back, but thankfully that didn't happen. But yeah, bless him, he's still asleep at the minute, so try and keep him asleep as long as possible, really. But yeah, I'm just going to get hot drinks because we won't have the arms to when we head down to reception.
The metal white thing. I saw that, but I didn't see it in Roosevelt.
Last time entering Disney. Woo!
That's big bag.
In their bedroom. In their bedroom, Logan. Going out.
Whoa! Wow! Look, Logan, over here on the right.
Oh, big bag.
On your side.
Veuillez attacher votre ceinture. Pour faire décoller Dumbo, tirez le levier de commande qui se...
Whoa! Where are you going?
Veuillez rester assis jusqu'à la réponse de Dumbo. Vérifiez que vous n'avez rien oublié à bord. Veuillez descendre et vous diriger vers la sortie d'avion. Numéro de départ inscrit sur le billet d'embarquement.
I really want that part. I mean, look.
Oh, do you reckon?
Yeah, this is part of it.
Oh my goodness, are we in Mickey Mouse's clubhouse?
Yes.
No.
In the end. Brief call. Tu trouveras le monstre en toi. Il est...
Non, la garde du roi lion est trop occupée à protéger la terre des lions des griffes de Scar. Mais c'est ton jour de chance, ils t'ont envoyé Timo.
Careful that choppy. Good boy. Oh no! Thank you. Bonjour. I don't know if you're going to hear anything I'm saying over the noise, but here's a sleeping Logan. We've just come out of the Magician Mickey show. It was really, really good. Logan fell asleep in like the first couple of minutes though, so he didn't really see any of it, which is a shame because it had like his favourites in, like Elsa, so they did a Frozen song, and he has some other characters that I just know he would have really liked, so it's a shame, but we got in quite a long queue to go in, so it's not something we now would like redo. But before that we saw the new Together show. Absolutely amazing. The only downside was we were sat on the edge, like on one of these sides, and we didn't know that the musicians who sat in the centre of the stage, like their stage split in half and went one either side, so we did have restricted viewing, which was a bit sad, but that was incredible. That was like a Toy Story based storyline, but they went and with the characters, and then they went and involved other Pixar films in it. So there was like Coco, Finding Nemo, Up, what were the other ones? I'm sure there were some others. My mind has gone blank, but that was really good. Highly recommend. Nearly cried in the last bit with the live orchestra playing the Together song. It was so good, so I highly recommend that. And we also saw the Disney Junior show, Dream Show or something, first thing this morning as well. Logan absolutely loved it. That was with Mickey and Minnie, and they also again brought in some other kind of Disney characters into that as well, including Timon, and a couple of Disney shows characters that we weren't that familiar with, but that was fun. That was very interactive, lots of bubbles and smoke and stuff like that as well, which is really good. So we've done well to see 3 shows since coming across 2 studios. I'm happy with that. It is now approaching 3 o'clock, so Mum's gone to the toilet and to have a look at what food's about, because we're going to need some food, and then we're probably soon going to have to think about heading back to the village, getting our shopping done, and then heading back to the hotel to collect our luggage and bring it back across to the train station. So the next couple of hours or so are going to be quite busy and journey filled, but we've had a fantastic time here and I'm really excited to go back through, edit the vlogs, see what footage I've got and share it with you all. So if you're watching and you've got this far, thank you so much. Don't get it on here, son. Smooth one. Ah, goofy. That's it. That concludes our studio visit, our Disneyland park visit, Magic Kingdom, and now we're going to the village to get some lunch Then we're gonna head to the World of Disney to pick up our last minute shopping bits, and then we'll be going back to the hotel to get our luggage to head back to the station. Logan has just met Goofy, and now he's a bit upset that we're leaving. It's a task to get him to do things, but once he's doing them he loves it, so I know we'll be back, so watch this space. Heading back to the train station. Everyone, I just wanted to say in post edit, thank you so much for watching our Disneyland vlogs. This is sadly now the last one, and I just wanted to come on and just thank you for watching. This is the first time we've done a little series of vlogs, and Disneyland was so special and somewhere that I know we're going to go back to, so it felt really nice to be able to share this experience with you and also create some footage that me and my little boy can look back on as well. So it's been, yeah, a really lovely time. This was quite a short vlog for the last one. So what I've done is I've just stuck in a little bit more footage beyond this message of the Dream Shine Brighter parade. It was filmed on my phone, so it is in portrait mode, but the 30th celebrations are finished now, and I loved this parade and I just wanted to share it with you all, and hope that it brings a smile to your face. Happy Disney journeys to anyone who's going anytime soon, and if you're thinking about it, I hope that this vlog series has inspired you to make that booking. You won't regret it, you'll have such an amazing time. And yeah, and on to plan the next one now, which I would love to be California. I don't know when, but hopefully sometime in the future. So watch this space.